This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Have you ever wondered if you're damaging your Audi's automatic transmission without even realizing it? What if one simple habit could shorten the life of one of the most expensive components in your car? And what if the repair bill could easily exceed several $1,000s? Today we're looking at 5 common mistakes Audi owners make with automatic transmissions, including S-tronic, Tiptronic, and modern Audi DSG systems. The first mistake is shifting into drive or reverse before the vehicle is fully stopped. Many drivers are in a hurry. They roll slightly forward, move the selector into reverse, then immediately back into drive. The transmission may seem capable of handling it, but internally components are being forced to absorb stress that was never intended during normal operation. Always allow the vehicle to come to a complete stop before changing direction. Mistake number 2 is accelerating aggressively when the engine and transmission are still cold. Modern Audi vehicles warm up efficiently, but transmission fluid still requires time to reach optimal operating temperature. Hard acceleration during the first few minutes increases wear and reduces long-term reliability. A few minutes of gentle driving can make a significant difference over the life of the vehicle. Before continuing, if you enjoy practical Audi maintenance tips, hidden features, and money-saving ownership advice, please subscribe to the channel. It costs you absolutely nothing, but it is incredibly important for the growth of this channel and helps us continue producing useful Audi content every week. Mistake number 3 is holding the vehicle on a hill using the accelerator. Many drivers apply slight throttle pressure to prevent the vehicle from rolling backward. This may feel convenient, but it forces the transmission and clutch systems to work unnecessarily. Instead, use auto hold, the brake pedal, or the parking brake when appropriate. Mistake number 4 is ignoring transmission service intervals. Many owners focus exclusively on engine oil changes and completely forget transmission maintenance. Transmission fluid is not magical. Over time, it degrades, loses effectiveness, and becomes contaminated. Following Audi maintenance recommendations can significantly improve long-term reliability. Finally, mistake number 5 is repeatedly selecting Sport mode for every trip. Sport mode is a fantastic feature when used appropriately, but constantly keeping the transmission at higher operating speeds increases heat, wear, and fuel consumption. Use it when conditions justify it, not simply because it feels more responsive. The owners who achieve the longest transmission life are rarely the luckiest. They simply understand how the system works and avoid habits that create unnecessary stress. A transmission that is treated correctly can provide years of smooth operation, improved reliability, and a far lower risk of expensive repairs. And sometimes avoiding a costly failure is simply a matter of changing a few daily habits.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.